Hey, I'm Nick with Meal Prep on Fleek.
And I'm Chef Daniella Malfitano, and we want to thank you for trusting us to help guide you through your meal prep journey.
I know for me, ever since high school, I've been overweight and I always struggled being self-conscious. I didn't even want to go to family functions because I knew I didn't want to be seen in public. In August of 2015, I met my co-founder, Sarah, who encouraged me to start meal prepping. And ever since starting that journey on my own, I lost 6% body fat and 2.5 full pant sizes. Meal prepping has been such a game changer for me. I know it can be for you too.
And for me, I've been a professional chef for 15 years, and as much as I love my profession, I've always felt that there was something missing as it relates to people using and knowing food in a healthy and balanced way. I've always been fascinated for using food for its function, and in my 20s, I actually overcame a long battle with anxiety and misunderstood digestive issues. Somehow, deep down, I knew that if I changed my food, I could change my condition. And today, as an integrative nutrition health coach, I love supporting people on their health journeys. By the end of this course, you're going to be excited to meal prep and start taking control of your food choices. So let's go.
Let's go.